In this video, I will show you how to change your profile image in Discord on your PC. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. You can see my profile image is currently set to my channel logo, but if you want to change this, then what you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner of Discord and click onto this gear icon to open up your user settings. Once you're in your user settings, come up to the top left hand corner and click up here where it says edit profiles. And that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here you can see we've got main profile and per server profiles, but of course we want to change our main profile image on Discord, so we want to select the main profile option. Once you've done that, you're going to see a preview window over here, and all you need to do is hover over your current image and you're going to see a pencil icon come up. Give that a click, and from here you want to select the option to change avatar. So what you can now do is upload an image, or you can choose a GIF as well, but I'm just going to upload an image from my computer. Once you select that option, your computer's file explorer is going to load through, and you can use this to find the picture or image on your computer that you want to use as your new profile image on Discord. So for example, if I wanted to change to just a picture of myself, then what I'm going to do is select that from here. And what we can do is it's going to come up with a screen like this where we can edit our image. So we can zoom in and out like this using the slide bar. And we can also hold down our left mouse button to drag our image into the circle. So once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is come down and click apply at the bottom. And as you can see straight away, that's going to change your image on Discord. Make sure you do click the save changes button that pops up to apply your changes, and that is how to change your Discord profile image in PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Discord and tech tutorials. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.